Being safe online and using devices, a social story. I like using devices like tablets, computers, and phones. I can watch videos, play games, and learn new things. Using technology can be fun and helpful. When I go online, I need to be safe and make good choices. Sometimes I might see messages, links, or games that look interesting. Before I click on anything new, I will stop and ask an adult I trust. This helps keep me safe. I will remember I should not talk to strangers online. I do not know who is really behind a message or profile. If someone I don't know sends me a message, I will not reply. I will tell an adult instead. If I want to download a game or app, I will also ask an adult first. Some apps are safe and some are not. An adult can help me choose the right ones. When I use the internet, I will be kind. I will use kind words just like I do in person. I will not say mean or hurtful things online. If I see someone being unkind, I can tell a trusted adult. If someone online makes me feel confused, uncomfortable, or upset, I will stop using the device and tell an adult right away. Adults are there to help me stay safe. I can be proud of myself when I use devices safely. Being safe online helps me learn, play, and have fun in a smart and responsible way. I am learning to be a safe and kind digital user every time I go online. All right, kids, it's time for question time. What should you do before clicking on a link or new game online? Should you talk to or reply to people you don't know online? Why or why not? Who should you ask before downloading a new app or game? How can you be kind when using the internet? What should you do if something online makes you feel uncomfortable or upset? Thank you for answering all my questions and for those good answers. Remember, we always want to make sure that we are practicing safety first. And if you are unsure about something, just ask an adult. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our channel and please share this video with others. Thank you.